If you trade using price action strategies, especially with moving averages, you have probably noticed certain patterns where you feel confident that the trade is likely to win. However, many traders hesitate to take these setups because they do not know the pattern's winning ratio, they are unfamiliar with its name, or they simply do not fully understand how the pattern works. In this video series, we are covering some of these powerful trading patterns. Today, we will discuss a setup that we call the double morning star pattern. Before we begin, there is one important thing to understand. For this strategy, we will use the 9-period simple moving average, 9 SMA. This moving average acts as a dynamic support level because it is calculated from the movement of the previous 9 candles. You can also think of it as a representation of the market's most recent dynamic support, helping us identify high-probability buying opportunities. Now, let's first understand what the double morning star pattern is. After that, we will move on to the strategy and learn how to use this pattern to generate profitable trading opportunities. Let's start with the conditions of the double morning star pattern. The pattern should begin with a bearish candle, followed by a doji candle, and then a bullish candle. At this point, the first morning star pattern has been formed. After the formation of the first morning star, the market's next objective should be to create a second morning star pattern as quickly as possible. The market may pause for 1 or 2 candles, but it should not consolidate for longer than that. In this example, a morning star pattern is formed first. Immediately after that, a bearish candle closes, followed by a doji candle, and then another bullish candle, creating the second morning star pattern. In this case, the market does not spend time consolidating. As soon as the first morning star pattern is completed, the second morning star pattern forms right away. In another scenario, the first morning star pattern forms, and then the market pauses for up to 2 candles before creating the second morning star pattern. This is also considered a valid double morning star pattern setup. The key idea is that after the first morning star pattern appears, the second morning star pattern should form within the next 1 or 2 candles. When this condition is met, the pattern remains valid and can be considered for trading opportunities. Before moving on to the strategy, there are a few more important details you need to understand about the double morning star pattern. The most important condition is that the final bullish candle of the second morning star pattern must close above the entire overall pattern. This confirms that buyers have gained control and that the setup remains valid. In situations where the market pauses after the first morning star pattern, the price should not make a strong move upward. Instead, it should remain within a small range and consolidate near the first pattern. After this brief consolidation, the market should form the second morning star pattern, with its final bullish candle closing above the entire pattern structure. For example, the market may form the first morning star pattern and then print 3 small candles while remaining within the same price range. If the market then forms a second morning star pattern and the final bullish candle closes above the entire structure, the setup is still considered valid. However, if those candles become large bullish candles and the market moves significantly higher before forming the second morning star pattern, then the pattern is no longer valid. The setup works best when the market stays close to the original pattern and does not make an extended move before the second morning star appears. In this example, the 5th candle closes above the entire pattern, which makes it a valid double morning star pattern. As we move further into the strategy, these rules will become even clearer. Now, let's move on to the strategy itself. You should not trade every double morning star pattern you see on the chart. There are specific conditions that must be met before taking a trade. The first condition is momentum. If you look at this example, the market was initially ranging, and then a strong bullish momentum move began. Before the double morning star pattern forms, the market should already be moving upward with momentum, printing a series of strong bullish candles. If the pattern forms during this bullish momentum phase, then it becomes a valid trading opportunity. The second condition is the direction of the 9-period simple moving average. The moving average should be pointing clearly upward. A flat or downward sloping moving average reduces the quality of the setup. The third condition is that the double morning star pattern must form above the moving average. The pattern should not touch the moving average. If the pattern touches or forms directly on the moving average, it suggests that the setup is weaker and should be avoided. When all of these conditions are met, you can enter the trade as soon as the pattern is completed. Place your stop loss below the pattern's low and target a take profit that is at least twice your stop loss distance. Now, let's look at a few examples. In this example, we can see strong bullish momentum in the market, and the moving average is clearly pointing upward. We get the first morning star pattern here, followed by 2 candles and then a second morning star pattern. The final bullish candle closes above all the previous candles in the structure, confirming the setup. The entire pattern is also forming above the moving average. This makes it an excellent example of a valid double morning star pattern. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. For more trading strategies and pattern-based setups, be sure to visit our channel and check out our other videos. See you in the next one.